Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate presentation slides using Gemini AI within Google Slides as of 2025. If you have ever been short on time and needed to build a professional deck quickly, you are in the right place. Let's look at how smooth this workflow is. First, head over to Google Slides in your web browser. For those unfamiliar, this is Google's cloud-based presentation tool. You will need to sign into your Google account to use it, which is free and simple to create if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will see the Google Slides home screen where your saved projects are stored. To start a new file, you can either click on a blank presentation or pick one of the available templates. Templates are excellent starting points because they include preset styles and layouts that save a significant amount of time. Now, for the most exciting part, the Gemini AI integration. This tool is a major game changer for productivity. Find the Gemini icon and click on it to get started. The Gemini AI function is designed to automate slide creation by providing rapid suggestions and insights, making your final product more engaging. Once you click the icon, select the Try It Out option. This activates the AI, allowing it to assist with your design and content organization. Gemini can help you format text and structure your information so your slides really stand out. This feature streamlines everything by suggesting relevant data, graphs, or extra content. Just input your main objective and watch as the AI populates the slides with useful elements. There you have it, a modern and efficient way to use AI for your presentations. Thanks to Gemini AI, you can produce polished, professional slides very quickly, which is perfect for a fast-paced environment. Remember to explore the different options to find what works best for your specific project. I hope this guide helps you maximize your presentation building experience. Happy creating!